Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today I would like to take an opportunity to show you the 12-inch touchscreen Uconnect display in a 2021 Dodge Ram pickup truck. The Uconnect system has a lot of functionality built into it. I will walk you through, show you some of its features, but keep in mind I cannot show all of them to you because the video would be too long. Let me take the opportunity to first show you the top. Here you have your on and off switch for your lane sense. Here you have your hazards. And here you have your traction control on and off. If I come down the left side of the screen, this is where your temperature controls are for the cabin. This truck comes with a dual climate system, so for the passengers over here, so the cabin can be split in two. What's nice about this feature is you can sync both of them together. It's a nice feature. Then the next button down is your mode button. Indicates where you want it to come out. Here you have your fan speed. Now the fan speed works for both sides, so there's no independent fan speed for the passenger. Down here you have your automatic button for the temperature. You set it at 60, it stays at 60. It gets a little warmer, it comes back down to 60. It's basically how that works. Your volume button for your radio, which unfortunately I cannot play because I'm not sure if it will interfere with YouTube's restrictions. But this system did come with a Harman Kardon stereo system with a subwoofer in the back. Here you have your mute button. Down here I explain what this is. You have your front defroster, rear defroster, AC button on, and then circulating supply. Now it basically covers the sides and the top. Now we come into the middle, the meat of the system. Up here, there's two ways to get in the system. There's a little gear on the upper right hand corner that gives you a lot of options. We'll go through some of them. Let's go through some of them. Let's go to the display. Notice here you have a lot of options. Display brightness. Set the theme. I have mine currently set to blue. And it's all touchscreen. The beep, if you want to hear the beep or not. Control. A lot of stuff in there. Now if you want to go back, you press the back button. Come down here to mirrors. This comes with the tilt in reverse mode. I keep it off until I need it. Go back. Alright. Let's go back now. Back. Touch the gear. Let's go back to mirrors. Wipers. I like this feature this truck has. It has rain sensing auto wipers. I keep mine off. I don't like rain sensing auto wipers. On the control stick itself, for the windshield wipers, it also has intermittent. I use that instead. I like that better. Then you have your headlights with wipers on, off. I keep them on. What do we want to do? We want to go back. Okay, now we come down more. There's more. You can control the lights. Whole different ways to control the lights. Nice feature. Then suspension. And you basically check any you want out in the truck. Like the little mini computer for a truck or your car. Audio settings, trailer brake, engine oil, off options. Here's a nice another feature. Easy exit seats. That's nice. Engine off relay, 45 seconds. Headlight off delay, 60 seconds. So a lot of things are customizable. Now there's another way to get into this. You press the apps button. So here we use the little gear wheel up here. And that showed us these apps. Now, you can get to it also down here too. Apps. Now, this goes into a little more individual items in the dashboard. Or in the display, I should say. Just press that button over like that. And see here you have a plethora of different other options. Now, a lot of these are duplicate. Like over here, you have your controls. If you go into controls here, it gives you another place where you set the controls. Which is nice. If you want to deploy the steps, This has the running boards that automatically come out and go back in. So if I want, I can retract the step, deploy the step. Nice feature. There's a backup camera. Has a lot of nice and hidden bells and whistles. Some of them I really don't think you need, but I guess it's nice to have. So that's one thing. Now if you want to go back, just go to home, back to apps. The other thing I like is down here is all programmable buttons down here. Meaning, say you always use navigation. Well, navigation is already in the list. So let's pick something that's not on the list. Let's go to, I don't know, bed lowering. You hold on to bed lowering, wait for it to highlight. Then we're going to put it right where navigation setting is. Now, if you notice, the navigation system moved over, and now you have the bed lowering. So it's very customizable down here, which is a nice feature also. Moving down. Here you have your trailer brake, electric brake. Here, this is an option for if you hook up a trailer, or if you put heavy weight in the bed, it'll automatically level the truck out. Here you have your full exhaust brake or automatic exhaust brake. If you press the button once, you get a full exhaust brake, also known as a Jake brake. If you press it again, it's automatic exhaust brake. Press it a third time and it goes off. And all is displayed in the middle of the dashboard for you. Tow haul, that's self-explanatory. Then you have your front and rear parking sensors. Now, of course, if you're in the tow mode, you're going to turn the sensor off in the back because it'll beep. And then you can turn the front one on and off also. Now, also, you notice down here you have your USBs and your C connections with a little auxiliary port. But overall, the system seems to function very well. It's very easy to use. Go to home. You notice here you have two screens. If you want to select the bottom, go up and go down. You can reverse the screens. You also have, of course, the time. The temperature outside right now is 111 degrees. Wow. Okay. All right. And temperature inside is 63. What else do we got? Okay, since we're here, let me see if I can explain how four-wheel drive works in this truck. In order to go into four-wheel, right now we're in two-wheel drive with the light indicated. If you want to go into four-wheel high or low, you got to put the truck actually into neutral. And if you put the truck into neutral, then you can switch back and forth. If you try and do it while it's in park, it's not going to engage. Also, if you get locked out of your truck, or not so much you get locked out of your truck, because you got the little spare key here on the key fob. The little spare key comes out on the key fob. Right here's the button to release it. Just press that button in, and the key comes out. Now, there's actually no way to start the truck, so you're able to get in, but how do you do it if the battery's dead? Well, as per the manual, they say you hold this here and press the button, and then the truck starts. So that's a good feature to have also. What else can I explain about the truck? That's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, comment, hit the notification button to all.